A new breath is coming to the old spirit of Istanbul. The view of the deep blue Bosphorus. Spectacular nature. Renovative, luxurious, and elegant touches. A life that unwinds and refreshes every moment. Welcome to Nef Reserve Kandilli. Nef Reserve Kandilli is in one of the most special points of Kandilli, one of the most graceful and favorite districts of the Bosphorus throughout history, where the palaces that hosted the sultans are located. Nef Reserve Kandilli, which has a unique location for work on both the European and Asian sides, is 5 minutes to Kandilli Pier, 14 minutes to 15 July Martyrs Bridge, 10 minutes to Fatih Sultan Mehmet Bridge, and 35 minutes to Sabiha Gökçen Airport. It's only 40 minutes away from Istanbul Airport. The houses from 2.5+1 to 5+1, consisting of city mansions and residences, every detail of which are designed to offer a comfortable life, bear the signature of world-renowned architect Emre Aralat. Nef Reserve Kandilli brings together the elegant marks of history with a luxurious and privileged life. The soft touch of wood is blended with colors such as mink, beige, and cream to make you feel the spirit of the forest at first glance. Modern ideas and finely thought details have come together to offer a perfect life. The landscape, prepared by Hermann Salm and bears the characteristics of the region, forms a whole with buildings, while adding a green touch to the Bosphorus view. Spaces that add pleasure to your every moment, from home theater to invitation room, from guest house to spa, as well as fold home reserve privileges like a boat waiting for you at Kandilli Pier, 5 minutes from your home, adds vitality and richness to home life. Nef Reserve Kandilli, which has come to life according to the latest earthquake regulations and with the most advanced technologies, offers not only a house, but also a life that will last for generations. Nef Reserve Kandilli, where the spirit of old Istanbul meets with fresh ideas of the 21st century, is waiting